Hey you guys, what's up? So today I'm back with a chips and dip mukbang because it was my second most requested video when I was asking people to do my Q&A and stuff. And when I did the poll Five Guys one, but there was still a lot of votes on chips and dip. So here we are, about to do chips and dip. I dyed my hair as you can see. I mean, if you know me. But so what we have today is we have a layered bean dip, a homemade barbecue chicken dip, which I love. I've made it multiple times. It's so good. And then I have this onion, garlic, and herb green spinach dip. It's made by a local person in my town. And then I have all these chips. I don't really like Doritos, but I saw these Flamin' Hot Doritos and I was like, okay, cool. And I have these elote chips. I have honey barbecue, cheddar cheese ruffles, and then, yeah, the hot dip. And then I have a side of jalapenos because I wanted to put some right on top of this because it didn't have any, and I love jalapenos on my bean dip. Like, I love. And then back here to the side, I also have these soft pretzel bites. I'm just gonna leave them on the side. I mean, I guess I can put a couple, like, right there so you guys know what they look like. The garbage man's coming by, so it's loud. And then I have sour cream light. I did not mean to get the light, but hey, whatever. And I'm gonna put some sour cream. Oh, I have to open it. Dang it. Ooh, I love sour cream. Isn't it weird seeing me inside? I'm just gonna get started now. I'm using the barbecue chip for the barbecue dip. Okay, woo. If that fell, I would have been very sad. I didn't get much, but So there's cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, onions, corn, chicken, barbecue sauce. I use this spicy barbecue sauce. It's really good. Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet and Spicy, I think it's called. Look at all of that cheese. You guys have to try this dip. So, I almost did a Thai food mukbang today. I was craving Thai food, but then I remembered this and I was like, oh, I think I'm craving that more. This is really, really good. Okay, now I'm gonna try the cheddar cheese in here. So good. But yeah, me and my boyfriend might do a video in a couple weeks. I'm like astonished on how good this dip is. Holy crap. I'm gonna open these. Should I try one plain? Sure, I guess. I mean, ooh, they are spicy. I wouldn't order them on my own. There's a layered bean dip. I love bean dip. It is the best. And I have a water over here in my cow cup because my brother goes to Berkeley. I'm gonna be licking my fingers in this mukbang, so I'm sorry. hot Cheeto fingers, so I can't not. What the heck? It was funny because in my last video, someone, not my last video, the videos with my boyfriend, like a lot of people were noticing, like I had multiple comments like, oh, please pay attention to your boyfriend. Like he's trying to talk to you or like stuff like that. And you guys, I try, but when I am in a food zone, that's just how I am, and he knows that. He respects that. I love my food, and I'm just like focused, and I'm like trying to pay attention to other things, like conversations, and it can be hard for me. Ooh, I'm gonna try it in this dip. I don't know if that'll be good though. Surprisingly good. These are my elote chips. I don't know what these would be good in. Oh, probably this. I want to get a jalapeno in this bite. Really good. Wow, I love chips and dip. It's like one of my favorites. No, like seriously one of my favorites. I'm not joking. Should I try this in the barbecue dip? I think I shall. Ooh. Okay, my fingers are gross. I want to show you guys, but like, I'm shaking. And everyone comments on that too. I don't know why I do that. It's like when I'm trying to like focus, I like shake sometimes. It's not because I'm nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm a social butterfly. I really am. But anyway, back to the parts about my boyfriend, like about how I am a very distracted eater. I like focusing on my food. When we go to restaurants, we'll be like talking in the beginning, and then when our food comes, it's like we're silent. We're just going in, and I'm like, I always notice it too. I'm like, we've been silent for like 10 minutes. We're just going in. Okay. Ooh. Also, I think I said this already, but isn't it weird seeing me in a house? It's literally exquisite. So these elote chips are from Trader Joe's, and they are so good. Go get them. They're I think Mexican street corn style. Ooh, I just took like half of the dip in that bite. Look at that bite. That's gonna be good. That bite was really good. Here we go. It looks a little weird, but it's not. So this is like a Indian style dip, that one right there. It's so good. But I did want to announce something to you guys. I mean, it's not really, I don't even know if I should be like announcing it right now. I don't know, but I think I said in my video I want to get a camera in December. So I'll be like obviously making good videos on here still, but me and my boyfriend wanted to make a second channel and do like mukbangs, like days in our lives, like just like a whole, I'm not gonna say everything we want to do, but yeah, I was gonna make a second channel for like us and like other things in my life besides me eating. Still, mukbangs are my like probably biggest priority because I love food. The chicken I put in here is so good. Ugh, the chip's breaking in here. There you go. Ugh, I hate when chips break sometimes. I'm like, please just let me have the bite that I desire. These chips are literally like, why are you cutting me out? Ooh. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why I did that. Indian dip spilled. That's really sad. Not all of it spilled. We're still Gucci. I wish you guys could try it. I bet they have like, ow, my legs. Hey, I'm sitting on the couch now. No, I'm coming back. Okay, I love jalapenos. I love them. So I'm gonna get My parents are gonna be so happy that I made dip. They are just as obsessed with dip as I am. Cause like I grew up going to a lot of family gatherings and they always had good dips. Like the best dips, like so good. I want to finish this, but I want to save my mom and dad some. I could literally eat like 2 full panfuls of this. I am like a little full though. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go. I have to give my mom the rest of this dip. I mean, I didn't save her that much, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video, hopefully. So, later.